So I want to talk about a mistake I think you've made, I've made, we've all made, and we probably keep making it, which is something we need to kind of drive out of our heads. And this is assuming that every buyer wants the same thing. And the reason I'm saying this, you might be thinking, Kelly, I don't feel that way. But as I work with agencies, I hear it all the time. Well, we weren't the least expensive. We lost this on price. And the reality is, the biggest threat that we have is assuming everybody's a price shopper because they aren't. Now, they might come at you with price, and that kind of clicks in our brain, I've got to save them money. But for most people, there's a lot of ways to get there. Even just recently, we've been working with an agency where we're really talking about cross-selling to get that price down because it's an opportunity for the agency to wrap up everything, generate the most revenue, and apply the discounts. And people still kind of are stuck in their ways. But I want to let you know that everybody wants to be heard and seen. And so when we assume that everyone's coming in the door as a price shopper, we miss that. We don't hear and we don't see them. And when we assume that everything's about price, we miss out big time because we don't know that maybe it's about convenience. Maybe it's about trying to get everything together. And if you can do that economically, you're in a better situation. But we take the easy way out in insurance far too much and make it about price. So I would say this, guess what? No one cares about price in the event of an insurance claim. So the number one mistake is assuming everybody wants the same thing because we have blinders on, we have our own bias, or we hear all the time they want price. So assume that they're going to say price. You know, when you go to buy a car, they assume that price is going to be on your mind, but they don't not show you the car with the extra cool sunroof, do they? They still show that to you. We make this mistake over and over and over again because we think that price is an easy way to sell, and it is. If I can sell on price, I'm just collecting a signature. I'm not really selling. But the reality is we need to open our eyes to other strategies. And we stop making this mistake by taking a big, deep breath and getting to know the buyer and understand that price is a component of it, but it's not the only thing they're probably looking for. And we do that by slowing down and building rapport. This is a key feature in our AppX Sales Program, which is a 6-month sales training program for inbound sales agents, people who pick up the inbound phone calls. It's stopping and slowing down so we can cross-sell, but also understand what's important to them. Then we also do this for your current customers by a renewal review call program, which is another 6-month program called AppX Retention. If your agency is interested in either of these programs as a standalone program, we have to talk now. We're only offering them as standalone programs through the end of the year. And after that, they're going to get wrapped up into bigger programs, a 2-year commitment of helping your agency become ridiculously amazing, where we really see out that, that whole process. So contact us. So you can go to our website, go to the contact us form. There's actually a link to my calendar if you want to book some time, but let's get going because December is ticking and I know we all can't wait for 2021. And we have these programs, both do it yourself through our online school, virtual, all through Zoom, and then in person as well. So depending on where you are and what your comfort level is, we can make it happen. Have a great holiday season, everyone. We'll talk to you soon.